Starting with the sweet and massive name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, benevolent, who taught us the use of pen and created us from drops of blood. After all praises to Almighty Allah. Now I would like to welcome all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. Today our topic is about must. What is must and where to use? Must is a modal auxiliary verb. Okay, basically must means have to or has to. Must we use for to force 100%, to force someone 100%, or must we use to force an action 100%. For example, you must drink water. You must drink water. If you won't drink water, you might die. It means if you won't do this action, so you might face difficulties or problem or circumstances. Okay. So must force the action 100%. If you won't do that, it means you will face difficulty. Whenever we are talking about rule, Allah, so we use must. It means talking about rule Allah, so we use must. For example, you must buy the train ticket. If you won't buy the train ticket, you can't travel. It means you can't get into the train. So if you won't do this action, it means you will face problem. Okay? So the negative form of must is must not, or shortcut form is mustn't. It means that this T is silent. You can say mustn't. Okay? But here is another topic, that is have to or has to. So don't be confused. Must or have to is exactly the same topic or having the same meaning. If you say I must go to school, or I have to go to school, so it's same. Okay, you can say it. Okay, but don't be confused between have to or has to. Here is the differentiation. For example, have to we use for plural according to grammar, like I, you, we, they. For that we use have to. And for he, she, it, we use has to. For example, he has to go to school, or he has to join the party, and he has to write the homework. This is for singular or he, she in positive sentence. And if I say I have to drink water, I have to drive the car slowly, or okay, or I have to attend the party, or we have to offer the prayer. So this is for whenever we use I, you, we, they, so then we will use have to, or whenever we use he, she, it, then we will use has to. But instead of these two, if you are having confusion about these two, so you can easily use must instead of these two. For example, he must open the door. He must open the door. Or we must open the door. So there is no confusion of have to or has to. One thing remember, that must is always followed by base form of the verb. Like First of all, we will use subject, then we will use must, and then we will use best form of the verb. Then rest of the sentence. For example, he must attend the call. He must attend the call. This is positive sentence, and after must we use best form of the word, not ing form or not third form, best form of the word. Okay, we can say also you must eat little, or you must eat on time. You must eat on time. So there isn't eating or eaten. We didn't use that. We simply use base form of the word eat. Okay, got it? And we can say the negative form is you must not eat on time, or you mustn't eat on time. Okay, got it? But here has to or have to, the negative form would be does not have to or do not have to. Okay, so it was all about today lecture about mass. So if you have any kinds of question relating to mass, so you can comments below, so I will answer you. Thank you so much for watching video.